Hi, welcome. Today we are going to do multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. What are binomials? Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions with two terms are called binomials. So 2x plus 5 is a binomial, 4x minus 3 is a binomial. These are examples for binomials. Here also you can see another examples for binomials. They have only two terms. They are algebraic expressions with two terms. They are binomials. So, in multiplication of a binomial by another binomial, every term in one binomial should multiply every term in the other binomial. So, while doing multiplication of a binomial by another binomial, every term in one binomial should be multiplied by every term in the other binomial. So, we are going to do multiplication of the binomials. First one is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. We can write it as 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. If it is written like this means it is multiplication here. So it is, since every term in one binomial should be multiplied by every term in the other binomials, okay, it is equal to 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now, we will multiply this expression with this term. So, 2x into 4x minus 2x into 3 plus 5 into every term in this expression. 5 into 4x minus 5 into 3. So, it is equal to 8x square. 2x into 4x is 8x square minus 6x plus 20x. 5 into 4 is 20. So 20x minus 15. So when we add the like terms, it is equal to 8x square plus 14x minus 15 minus 6x plus 20x equal to plus 14x. So the answer is this one, 8x square plus 14x minus 15. That is the product of 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3, which are binomials. Now we will go to the next question. 2p plus q plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. They two are binomials. We are going to multiply it. So we will write like this: 2pq plus 3pq square into 3pq minus 2q square. Now it is equal to 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3p plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. It is equal to 2pq into 3pq minus this minus 2pq into 2q square. Now plus 3q square into 3pq minus okay, or we can write plus 3q square into minus 2q square. 3q square into minus 2q square. This plus here. So it is equal to, when we multiply these two, 2 into 3 is 6, p into p raised to 2, q into q raised to 2. So it is 6p square q square minus 2 into 2 4. Now q raised to 1 into q raised to 2 is q raised to 3. So it is minus 4pq. In the same way it is 9pq raised to 3. Now minus 6q raised to 4. Now when we add, Since these two are like term, minus 4p 2 raised to 3 plus 9pq raised to 3 is plus 5pq raised to 3, and it is 6 plus, sorry, it is 6p square q square plus 5pq raised to 3 minus 6q raised to 4. That is our answer when we multiply these two binomials. Now we can see another question, that is, now we can see another question, that is 3 by 4a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. So these two are the binomials. We will write like this: 3 by 4a square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3 minus minus 2 by 3. Okay, so it is 4 into a square minus, so it is here. So the question is 3 by 4a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. So we will write it like this: 3 by 4a square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Okay, how we are getting like this is shown here. 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square, it is equal to 4 into a square minus 4 into 2 by 3b square, which is equal to 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. 4 into 2, 8. Now our binomials are 3 by 4a square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Now we will multiply with this term, this expression, plus with this term, this expression. That is 3 by 4a square into 4a square plus 3 by 4a square into minus 8 by 3b square plus 3 by 3b square into 4a square minus, okay, since we have plus here, we can put plus here. So it is plus 3b square plus 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. So when we multiply, it is 3a raised to 4 coming here. How we are getting it is shown here. 3 by 4a square into 4a square. We can cancel 4. So it is 3a raised to 4. Now, so this term has become 3a raised to 4. Now, this term has become minus 2a square b square. How it is getting is shown here. 3 by 4a square into minus 8 by 3b square. We can cancel these two 3's, and 4 will go in 2 times. So it is minus 2a square b square. Now, how it is coming? 12a square b square is shown here. Is how it is becoming 12a square b square is 3b square into 4a square. 4 into 3, 12. Then a square b square. Now this term has become minus 8b raised to 4. That is 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. We can cancel the 3's which are in the numerator and denominator. So what is there is minus 8 b square into b square is b raised to 4. So minus 8 b raised to 4. Now these two are like terms. So when we add minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square, it is 10a square b square plus 10a square b square. So our answer is 3a raised to 4 plus 10a square b square minus 8b raised to 4. Hope you understood. Thank you for listening.